Right when I plugged in the power cable into the smartphones, they immediately started charging, and then I had to wait for them to boot into the system and then log in by entering a password. Right when I was in the system, I got into the charging menu to find out the real-time charging speed for all of these three devices for the next 10 minutes. After passing the 10 minutes mark, the results of the charging were following. The Nova 7i was leading with 16% of battery charge. At the second number was Realme X3 Super Zoom with 11% of charging, and on the third and the last number was Realme 6 Pro with 9% of its battery charged under 10 minutes. Then I left the devices to be charged for the next 5 minutes before measuring the temperature on all of three smartphones. After passing the 15 minutes mark, I compared the temperature on all of three devices and found out it to be 97.7 degree, 96.4 degree, 97.2 degrees Fahrenheit respectively for Realme 6 Pro, Nova 7i and Realme X3 Super Zoom. Then I waited again for the next 5 minutes to check the batteries and found out them to be charged up to 29% or 30% for the Realme 6 Pro, 37% for the Nova 7i and up to 33% for the Realme X3 Super Zoom. Here I'd like to mention then I disabled the power saving mode that I had enabled on every device so far. Then I left the devices to be charged for the next 10 minutes before finding the results. After passing the 30 minutes, I thought that the Nova 7i is clear winner here with a 46% of battery charged. The Realme X3 Super Zoom had 44% of its battery charged and the Realme 6 Pro was at 40%. And with that, the temperature of the devices were following: 98.2 degrees, 98.4 degrees, 97.9 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively for 6 Pro, Nova 7i and X3 Super Zoom. Then again, I left the devices to be charged for the next 15 minutes before calculating the results, and I was surprised by the results. Then again I found that the Nova 7i was leading with 71% of its battery charged. On the other hand, the Realme X3 Super Zoom was closing in with only 2% of difference remaining with 69% of its battery charge. But here you can see the Realme 6 Pro was clearly left behind by the two competitors with only 64% of its battery charged under 47 minutes. After crossing the 1 hour mark, I once again calculated the temperature because the batteries were not fully charged and found out the results to be following: 97.5%, 96.3% and 97.8% respectively for all of three devices. And here the game completely changed. I thought that the Nova 7i is taking the lead so far, but surprisingly after passing the 1 hour mark, the Realme X3 Super Zoom took the lead from Nova 7i, and somehow it managed to get up to 100% of its battery charge just in 1 hour and 12 minutes. However, in terms of the temperature, the Nova 7i is still a winner so far. Then I again calculated the batteries and Realme X3 was already 100% charged. The Nova 7i was struggling at 95%, and once again I was shocked that the Realme 6, which was left behind by both of the phones, once again took the lead from the Nova 7i, and it came on the second number with 96% of its battery charged, and hopefully the Realme 6 will get charged before the Nova 7i does. Whoa! After passing the 1 hour and 18 minutes mark, the Realme 6 Pro has its battery fully charged, and the Nova 7i is still struggling at 95%. Even after passing 6 minutes or so, the Nova 7i is still left at 95%. Once again, I'm going to fast forward this and we will stop once the Nova 7i is fully charged. Let's wait for it. Surprisingly enough, the Nova 7i gets fully charged under 1 hour and 44 minutes, and it is on third number in terms of the charging speed, even though it has a 40-watt charger that comes along with it. And let's check out why this is happening. I think that the Nova 7i's 40-watt charger would charge it with the 40 watts of speed up to 80%, and then it would slow down to charge it normally. However, the Realme 6 Pro and the Realme X3's charger would charge the phones up to 30 watts during the entire process, and I think that is the reason that Nova 7i took the beat here. The result of the charging speed are being displayed on your screen. You can decide yourself which smartphone is faster in terms of the charging speed and charges the device faster. And with that being said, I don't think that I have to tell you in every video. You have to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.